Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my channel, TechNova. So, you ever had one of those heart-stopping moments when someone cuts you off, nearly transforming your commute into a live-action Fast and Furious sequel? Well, you rush home, check your dashcam footage, and oh joy, it's grainier than an old-school security tape. But don't panic, my friends. Today we've rounded up the top 5 dashcams of June 2025 that promise footage so sharp you can almost read the other driver's mind. From casual commuters to full-on tech nerds, we've got the perfect pick for everyone. And of course, I am covering full-on budget dash cams to not-so-budget-friendly ones. But all the dash cams covered in this video will be linked in the description, so buckle up, hit subscribe, and let's dive right in. So first up, we are talking budget. This is the Vlokda 1080p dash cam. This has a forward and back-facing cam, just to capture your reaction when that annoying driver cuts you up and you say things that, well, you know, they make great YouTube videos. However, I digress. Moving on. So this has a 1080p forward-facing camera and a 720p inside-facing cam, so not as good quality catching those great moments. Comes with a 32GB memory card, f2.0 aperture, and also has a parking monitor, and a must-have feature, loop recording, meaning long as you don't hit the button, this thing will continue to record over itself permanently unless you smash the button, and that clip will be saved for YouTube. I mean, as evidence to help you in any dispute, which is why we have these, right? And another great feature, it has a G sensor, so when the camera detects an impact, it will automatically keep the recording so long as this thing is powered while you are away from your car. And some hits your car while it's parked, the cam should capture the moment and ensure it's locked for your viewing pleasure. 24-hour motion detection. Both cams record simultaneously once it detects motion around your car. However, this would potentially need a hard wiring kit, which is not included and will need to be purchased separately. It does come with a USB cable, but most cars will not provide power after the car is turned off, hence the hardwire kit. But this is a great cam, all for just 30 bucks, and Amazon also currently has a 30% off voucher. It's a steal for a quick budget setup. Rolling in at number 2 is the CHORTAU front plus rear cam, the dashcam world's budget-friendly superhero. Sporting 4K clarity up front and solid 1080p rear coverage, this gem offers a balance between value and performance. Installation is straightforward. Even your uncle who thinks Wi-Fi is wizardry could handle it. The daytime footage is crisp, making it ideal for daily commuting. But beware, when the sun goes down, its night vision isn't exactly Batman level, so capturing detailed night footage might feel like squinting through foggy goggles. Ideal for daytime commuters and occasional users, not recommended for midnight cruisers who crave nighttime detail. Has everything the previous cam has, just at better quality, claiming to have 4K front-facing cam, so high-res, loop recording, and motion detection. But this also comes with a 64GB memory card, so more storage to capture those moments, you know. So next up at number 3 on our list is the super sleek 70mm M310, the Iron Man suit of dash cams, compact, stylish, and packed with AI. This little genius offers 1296p video, intelligent collision detection, and even responds to voice commands. Finally, someone listens to you in traffic. Its discreet design is perfect for city driving, keeping it out of thieves' sightlines. But sadly, there's no rear camera included, so it won't catch that aggressive tailgater behind you. Great for urban drivers wanting high-tech minimalism, less so for rural road warriors needing complete coverage. Uses Type-C USB, built-in Wi-Fi and app support. This can support up to 256GB memory cards, so plenty of space for uploads. With the Wi-Fi and app support, you can instantly view and download videos in real time, right from your phone. This is a great feature, not having to find a pin or spend months trying to grow that nail. Has over-the-air updates, the ability to review timelines, and also has the usual G-sensor and motion detection, but again, will need to be hardwired for all these features, and again, needs to be purchased separately, but worth the purchase in my opinion. So now, coming in at number 4 is the Rode Angel Halo Go, your car's guardian angel equipped with 1080p clarity. If you're prone to forgetting speed limits or red lights, this dash cam offers GPS tracking and real-time alerts to save your wallet from unwanted tickets. Although its image quality is decent enough for everyday scenarios, you might struggle to clearly capture details at higher speeds or in dim conditions. Perfectly tailored for daily commuters concerned with speed traps, less appealing for enthusiasts demanding cinema quality captures. This supports 1080p at 30 FPS day and night, so the quality should be fine for most, just not the best. Also, some insurers will offer a lower premium if you have a dash cam, so worth a try. This has a 140-degree wide-angle recording, so capturing more in shot, so has all the usual G sensor and motion detection, and also has an app for easy sharing and downloading, Wi-Fi connectivity for all those updates and faster transfer speeds to download the footage. But again, for all the features while you are away from your car, you will need a hardwiring kit purchased separately. So please bear this in mind, but it's a great cam and close to my top pick. So now last but definitely not least, the Rode Angel Halo Pro steps up the game with sharp 2K resolution from both front and rear cameras. This cam combines top-tier clarity and impressive low-light performance, ensuring license plates stay readable even after sunset. With built-in Wi-Fi, downloading your latest road trip, highlights or mishaps becomes a breeze. On the downside, the app might occasionally act up, testing your patience with tricky initial setups. Ideal for tech-savvy drivers regularly tackling city traffic or highway drives and needing solid video evidence. Less suited for beginners who prefer a straightforward plug-and-play solution. Hardwire kit needed again for all the features, and if you're paying out for a top camera like this, then it's a must-have. This brand is well-known and award-winning, and the quality shows, which is why this one is my top pick, but also the most expensive. But this will ultimately come down to what you want it for, just a nice to have or a must have, and wanting the security while you are away from your car. Then just remember the hardwire kit, as you will need this for the motion detection and monitoring while you are away from your car. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to the best dash cams available in June 2025. Whether you're capturing your epic road trips, documenting questionable road rage encounters, or just protecting yourself from insurance scams, these dash cams have got your back and front. Drop a like if this video saved you from grainy footage misery, share your funniest dash cam stories in the comments, and smash that subscribe button for more tech-savvy content. Drive safe, laugh lots, and I'll see you in the next one.